Top side, top side and bot side. Okay, main book 2.
Go, go, go.
Okay, now we're going for invade. Okay, copy. I cannot mount. I might be late.
They're
Going for tempo,
invading.
guys,
Someone's
on top side.
invading.
They're invading here.
Invading, invading,
No, we're going for
invading.
I get one.
Invading.
Okay, back off, back off, back off, back off na, back off na. Alis na, alis na, alis na.
Alis na, alis na, alis na, alis na dito, alis na
Get
dito.
out, get out, get out. Okay, main ball 1, we're going top side. Main ball 1.
Team 1, go top. Team 2, go mid. Team 3, go bot.
Top
Default,
side. This time we
default,
are not
default,
supporting
default.
defense
Go
for now.
default,
Defense.
go default.
Okay, the UCP. Okay, well, we're going back for blue. Go black, go black. Go back for blue, go back for blue.
Mid yung nidat.
Ulti ako to apat.
Main ball 1, we're going
Ulting,
for
ulting.
mid blue.
Baka pala, baka.
Mid blue, mid blue.
Kapag ako paano sa'yo, your tower.
Okay. Dory, can you go for tower now on top side? Dory and Cyber. Dory and Cyber go for tower top side. Dory and Cyber go for tower top side. We have enough DPS on mid. Cyber, help Dory. Cyber, help Dory on top side now. Top side red, top side red, top side red, top side red.
Mid blue nidat pa.
Chip it down, chip it down. Chip it down. We're here, guys. Okay, main one, just keep the fight here, guys. Keep the fight here. Keep the fight here. Keep the fight. Keep the fight. It's on attack. Nag-F ka.
Basag na yung mid, basag na yung mid.
Works lang. Okay, just go for top, guys. The rest of the time.
Go Goose, go Goose. Team 2, go Goose.
Okay.
Stay lang kayo,
Top
team
side,
1 and 3,
top side,
okay?
top side, top side, top
Kapag
side,
wala
top
na
side,
sa
red,
top,
top side red.
lipat kay Goose.
Wala, mga...
There's no point in contesting that anymore. Let defense do their thing. Buhay ka.
1 and 2, go Goose. 1 and 2, go Goose. 1 and 2, go Goose.
Nice one, Dory and Cyber. You guys are doing work. Doing God's work.
1 and 2, go Goose. 1 and 2, go Goose.
Main ball 3. Mafi-finish off niya ba yan?
Finish ko tayo.
Okay, copy.
Wala pa CP ah. Okay, iwan nyo na yung top. Iwan nyo na yung top. Importante ma-depensahan
Now,
dito.
Go for this.
Kapag ako paano sa'yo,
I have Stormbreaker.
your tower.
Ako, may ult ako sa
Okay.
tower. Gusto nyo? Tara, tara, tara.
Sige pre, simulan mo.
Bot to ha, bot to ha. Ito.
Okay, Stormbreaker ready.
Ito.
We're
Okay,
going for the
following up.
goose in 3,
Following up.
2,
Nice one.
1.
Sige,
Okay,
follow
go
up.
for goose, go for goose, go for goose, go for goose. Go for goose, guys, go for goose. Stormbreaker on the goose, guys. Stormbreaker on the goose.
Ulted.
Hoy, may sumusolo
Stormbreaker
na
on the
natin
goose,
ah.
guys.
Lapag ako ng
We're
TV
safe,
ult dito
we're
sa
safe,
gitna.
We're safe. Damage on the goose. Damage on the goose. Don't waste our buff, guys. Don't waste our buff. Don't waste our buff.
Team 3, punta na. Huwag mo na, mamaya
Nice
na.
one, guys. Nice one.
Parang gusto
Nice
mo
one,
bawasan.
guys.
Na-wipe.
Team 3, ligan na. Dito na. Team 3, lead na kayo dito.
Good.
Pick up,
work,
Lahat
guys.
kayo.
Guys.
Okay lang,
Good
iti-trade
work,
na lang
guys.
din natin yung bot.
Labas na ako ha. Ay, TV ult ako. TV ult ako.
Sige, simulan
Kasi
mo.
dalawang tank yung dala ng Team 3 eh. Kaso di ko na kayo
Good
mapaalis
progress on the
kasi.
goose. Do we have chi shields?
Wala na
Chi
eh,
shields up?
nandun
We're
eh.
going for a mobile dot on the goose, okay? Chi shields up. Get ready. We're
May
going in.
mobile dot kayo, El?
Ako, meron ako.
Mobile dot on the
40
goose.
seconds
Sige,
pa ako.
simulan mo,
Mobile
mag-TTV
dot on
ult
the
ako.
goose. Mobile dot on the goose.
Sige, simulan mo.
Do you have another mobile dot? Go to the goose. Just go to the goose, guys.
May key-shield.
Tapos nasa top pa.
Bang! Follow the direction of the goose, guys. Masyado kayo nag-enjoy sa kanan. Nasa kaliwa
Good
na.
progress on the goose, guys.
Putang ina.
Good shit.
Wala pang clamp, walang clamp.
Pag walang clamp, mag-ano mo na kayo. Focus nyo muna yung nameless, okay?
Copy.
1 minute oh, nagre-ready na yata itong mga to.
4%. Okay, now go for the 3. Go for the 3.
Doon sa mid.
3 na sila oh. 2, 3, 4. Puta, galing. Galing magbilang. Gago. Yung jungle ah.
May jungle ha.
Magja-jungle tayo, let's go! Hey, jungle! Magja-jungle tayo.
Mid-set ako boy.
Wait.
Move out.
Teka lang ha.
Halika
Wala-
kayo,
wala-
magja-jungle tayo.
Develop ka.
Nag-CP ako. Ayun oh, galing.
Wala silang clap, boy.
If you can hunt
Sige na, alin na kayo. Magja-jungle din yan. Alin na kayo. Magsama-sama tayo dito, guys.
Yeah, main ball 3.
Magja-jungle tayo, guys. Nag-CP ako. Alis sila. Isipin nila, putang ina, nag-CP na kayo. Jungle na.
They dropped their chicken here, guys.
Yun na yun eh. Tara, tara, jungle lang, jungle. Fight jungle.
Don't let them, they drop their
Blue
chicken here.
jungle.
Don't let them pick it up.
Blue
Don't let them pick it up. Don't let
jungle.
them pick it up. Don't let them pick it up.
Ay, 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 ay,
Contest now.
ay,
They don't have
ay.
chicken. They don't have chicken.
Yun oh, ganda pala mag-execute yan eh. Okay na. Go back to Blue Goose.
Patayin mo
Goose.
nga to, patayin
Go
mo
for
to.
camps. It's fine.
Nakuha nyo ba yung camp sa ano, right side? Hindi, oo. Sagot.
Nakuha.
Okay, nice. Good job, guys. Good job.
Fine, guys. It's fine. It happens. Just go for camp.
Good
Focus
job.
on what you can do after.
Right side, Goose. Right side. Kita nyo? Si Justin Limbok, ha? Si Justin
Ako
Limbok.
una, ah.
Mid.
Lahat tayo ata may mga blade ult.
Sige. Ako
Pa-prepare na
una.
lang ng key shield. Pa-prepare na lang ng key shield.
You can help Xiao
Pero
here.
huwag mo na
From mid.
i-activate.
Mid kami from mid.
Mid clamp po.
Sige, simulan.
Sige, kayo buwang, kay buwang.
Sundan mo
Tingin,
yan, sundan mo
kay
yan.
buwang.
We're going for rotations.
Ayan, TB ult, follow up.
Just rotations, guys. Just rotations.
Nawala yung clamp. Nawala yung
Silence ako.
Okay, let's push. Back off.
Sige, nag-drop ako pa na sa iya.
Back off, guys.
Palagan natin yung desperate.
Back off. Back the fuck off.
May key shield.
We're going back in.
Key shield.
Ay, G-shield doy. G-shield.
Go back in. Go back in. Can we have a G-shield just to fake them out?
Mid.
Give me a G-shield. Okay, nice.
Okay. Following up.
It's okay. Just a fake out.
2 minutes, CP.
Following up.
Boom! Buto nung sakit ko, gago, lupet. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Give us another G-shield.
You know.
In 3.
Tang ina, palaka ako, pre, palaka. Ayun oh. Boom!
Mobile dog proceed 3.
King ina mo sabog. Oh, yun oh, gong.
More anti-heals.
Nagbabak sila.
Putang inang tang to. Ano ba? Habol ng habol. Babae ka
Comes.
ba? Tang ina ka.
Neji.
Yung ghost nasa top, ha?
Nice one.
Goose.
Fucking shit, good
Tawag
shit.
dito.
Now, keep them off.
Nalito yung
Goose.
rotation ko.
Nasa mid yung goose, guys.
Nice
Ang
one.
ina na.
30 seconds.
Goose, mid.
Nice. Okay, ikot.
Okay,
Less
pop
than
that
2
before,
minutes.
May anti-heal ako, ha?
What the fuck? I got trapped.
Sige, call mo yung anti-heal, Jules. Call mo.
Ano, mag-antay ako ng cooldown nila.
fine. Okay.
Medyo na po push back sila. Follow, mid.
They're not
Go
regrouping.
mid, go mid.
Nameless yan siya.
Go
We got
mid,
people.
guys,
Okay, we
go
got Blur
mid.
trying to kill our fucking...
Boom! Puta, sakit ko. Oo nga eh.
We popped
Yan,
it.
solid, no?
I think he popped it. I'm not sure.
Ready din TB
Boom,
ult ko.
boom.
Walang clap, eh.
Wala.
Pilit.
Ayan oh, nag-ulti ako oh. Puta, galing.
Yung nasa bottom side yung goose.
Nice one, guys.
Oh, guys.
Yung goose ha, yung goose. Ayun yung goose oh, si Justin Limbok. Protektahan niyo yan, tol.
Execute nerds. Nice.
Matras ng Hindi. Wala rin jungle,
Keep
eh.
them off.
Matras sila, flicky ah.
Copy.
Wala sila dito, ingat kayo
Okay,
dyan.
go. Now, get on the roof. Drop it. First blood, drop it.
Mahal
Drop
namin
it.
kayo,
Drop it
kami
low,
dito
drop it
chill
low
lang.
now, drop it
He's
low.
bugged.
Get on the roof.
Yung mga healers,
Get on the roof,
you guys know what to do. Pump up your
Guys,
vitality.
okay, if you can
Yun oh, tayo na may natutunan na naman yung ano, nanonood oh.
fucking get on the roofs. If you can drop it, then get on the roof. If you can't, then you're dying, bro.
They're dead.
Pump vitality,
Get on
guys.
the roof, it's fine.
Let them stall. Ito,
You'll be remembered.
ano
Okay,
puta, may
we have
natutunan
for
na
this.
naman talaga yung manonood sa IT nito.
Just wait for
May
this.
natutunan na naman.
Just wait for this. Just get on the roofs, guys. Just get on the roofs. We're chilling. Being chilling.
They're going up, they're going
Fight
up.
these guys on the roofs. Fight these guys on the roofs. Fight these guys on the roofs, guys. Fight these guys on the roofs.
Papunta.
I'm going for mobile build in 3, 2, 1.
Alam ni Flicky, intercept yung ano. Alam niya i-counter yung ganun. Very good. Guys, balik dito lahat. Huwag kayo dyan. Dito kayo. Pabayaan niyo sila. Shang and Boji, yung mga wall niyo, okay?
Jungle 1 minute.
Pawal ako sa mid. Jungle 1 minute.
Hawak mo.
Pawal sa mid. Okay, let's go. O, diba? BB time.
I have it, but
O, may CP pa ako. Lupit ko.
Gusto mo na mo blade ult.
King ina nyo. Yan na nasa kanan, tol.
Okay, good shit, guys.
Panacea ult. Let's go. Come.
Okay.
Sige.
Woo! Let's go.
Back up.
Bagal pala.
Following up.
One and two go for blue.
Puta, sabog. Oh.
Focus yan. TV, second
Oh,
TV.
boys.
Antay-heal.
Good call, guys. Good call. Thank you for reminding me. Get ready for jungle, guys.
Jungle, Neji Sora. Jungle. Okay.
Nice ult.
Ready for jungle.
Potential wipe.
Wala pa. Mamaya pa ako magsisipi, guys. Pagdating ng panahon of the time of the year.
I have the tree.
Ay, sasabog yun, oh. Ay, puta, ano. Good luck, Dory.
It's fine. We're gonna
Kanina
gamble
pa pala ako
before-
nakamute. Sorry guys.
Sige lang.
We're
When
gonna need a
Dory...
lot of fun coins
Ila-
first now.
Ano ba yung, ano?
Go, Dory. I'm here. Yeah.
May CP pa ako, after.
Go, Dory. Let's not go, Dory. Just let go of the tree if Dory loses.
No. Never mind. Yes. I mean, if we survive.
I mean, yeah, if-
Nice try, nice try.
Okay.
Yung Gus, ha?
Nice try.
Kergus. Neji, Sora.
10%.
Just go for
11 na lang yun, boy, ah.
Just go for jungles.
Neji, Sora.
Labas na kami.
I will still walk. I don't care.
Copy, copy.
20
Switching
seconds
na
What
ako.
the fuck, nagbag ako, men.
Yeah, never mind. I'm
May
leaving.
TB out ako.
Nagsipin na ako.
I mean,
Angas nun, grabe yung bag
TB
na
out
yun.
to, TB out to. Check nyo lang.
okay. I ulted.
Sige,
for
nagsipi
jungle.
ako man. It's okay.
May ulti kayo, mag-blade.
JC.
Ako pala,
It's
ako pala.
okay.
Kill JC.
Okay, na, na-stun.
Don't let him live.
GG.
Switching na ako.
It's
Let him
okay.
go, guys.
Set ako dito. Set
Ang
ako dito.
ina talagang
set ako
yan,
dito,
no?
set ako dito.
Go back to red.
Ayun,
Full
patay.
rotations.
Talaga namang hindi ka talaga makagalaw, mga kaibigan. Magdadrop na lang ako ng heal.
Can I get a confirmation?
TB.
Switching! Yung mga switching, ready na kayo, ha? Mag-wall na kayo, ha? Okay.
Hey,
Boom!
Jesus,
Butang
Jesus,
ina mo,
Jesus,
sabog.
mag-mobilize ka. I have fucking... I have antails. Mobilize ko.
Shield.
Sabog!
Ay,
ba?
Nice.
Boom! Wala na.
Mag-ulti ka muna.
Holder, focus sa holder, guys, okay? Okay.
Magulti ka muna.
Sorry
Oh.
na, sorry.
Ito na ako, yan, oh.
Walang TB out.
Sorry ko na.
Nice. Okay.
Boom!
Counter
King, ina mo, sabog.
Bagong holder, may bagong holder.
Togonging. Po, tangin hindi ako nakagong.
16 seconds and relentless. We have to pressure.
Kapag pa na sa'yo.
Nasoring ko ulit.
The tree,
Nasoring ko ulit.
Pressure them.
facing the wrong way.
Sorry ko ulit.
Tangin na.
Stacking yan, stacking yan.
Nice. Good.
Uy, nagsasak, pre, oh. Gago. Aray!
Nice one, guys. Look at
Kinapag-drop
that
ako
damage.
heal.
Good job.
Nalulog tayo.
Sinoring ko ulit.
Reload tayo.
Tigil lang, sandal ka lang. At wag mong pipigilan.
Okay, that's good.
Maglalast stand ako.
That's good distance. They're down.
Yun, oh.
They're wiped.
Sige lang,
Chase up
sige
the
lang,
remaining
sige
ones.
lang.
Chase up the remaining ones.
Sige lang. Pansinin nyo yung mga nasa left and right side, okay?
Nice one.
Left and right side.
Chase them up. They're not regrouping. They're not
Saja
regrouping.
boys got wiped out.
Mga nasa kaliwa at kanan.
They're accurate.
Boom! Sige, magdadrop ako
Seconds
ult.
yung ano ko ah.
TV ko na
Ano
to.
sa'yo,
Naka-TV na to.
Sige, go.
Sige, palapa ko moblade. Moblade oh. Sa harap ng trio. Harap ng trio.
Sige, go.
Ayan oh. Dami oh.
Boom! Itong ina solid, no? Ganda.
Okay,
Ito ba?
following up.
Oh, diba?
May TB out yan, may TB out
Mag-go
yan.
10 seconds.
Ayun.
Sorry, guys. Okay.
Dito, nasa kaliwa, guys. Yung mga tank, pansinin nyo yung mga nasa kaliwa, ang dami, oh. Sa kaliwa, yung mga mahilig mga kaliwa. Ano?
Keep them up.
Ayaw?
Wala.
Ayaw pa.
Ay.
Gago.
May holder.
Keep
May holder daw, tol. Putang ina mo. Ano yun? Lumipad ako.
Okay, naka-ready lang yung wall ko. Walling nga ako.
Copy that. We're gonna save it for a bit. Save it for a bit. Let's
Gonging,
try
oh.
to time it,
Brr, tututututututut. Putang ina, may tunog pa yan, boy.
Hindi ako napag-wall ah.
Shoe is moving. Crystal is moving.
Uy, gago, nag-desperate surge, pre, gago. Matakot kayo.
Back off a bit.
Paano sa'yo? Uy, tanga, nag-relentless. GG.
We need you guys alive.
O, talo na tayo. Tangina, di kasi nagwawal eh.
Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Patay tayo, boy.
Wait, execute.
Masabi patay ako, patay tayo lahat.
Na-wipe kami, na-wipe
Patay kami lahat, oh yeah.
Right now, wanted to go back to blue. Wanted to go back to blue for now. Wanted to go back
Medyo
to blue
madami
for now.
sila,
Wanted to
masaya
go back
sila
to blue
dito,
for now.
guys.
Yeah, wanted to go back to blue. Wanted to go back
Walling
to
ako.
blue. Wanted to go back to blue. Go back to blue. Go back to blue.
1
We
minute
have
jungle.
15
Kalma nyo, ah.
Boss,
Nice wall.
1 minute.
Copy,
Nirvana.
Copy that.
Wall nyo lang, yung malupit na wall,
Ready,
yung
ready,
medyo
ready,
malupit,
wait. Go for it, go for it,
humagupit.
go for it.
Oh yeah.
Fast swipe.
Fast swipe daw, oh. Tara, fast swipe.
Go in.
Wife.
Use your fucking
Wife
things,
nyo,
all the
wife.
things, all the things that are present in your
Wife,
fucking arsenal.
guys. Oh my god, yung wife nyo na.
Okay, now move.
Okay, panasaya ult. Oh, buhay tayo dyan lahat, oh. Lakas natin, puking ina nyo. Oh yeah.
Move forward.
Tara, jungle guys. Jungle.
Jungle is on blue side now. Jungle is on blue side. Careful.
Okay, kami na bahala sa blue side.
Okay, so kukunin daw ng def yung blue side. Jungles go red side. From attacking.
Hey, Def. Narinig nyo ako, di ba? Blue side, okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Dami dun, sorry. Ang dami dun, sorry. Atin na tayo dito.
Can you grab the tree? 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 Somebody grab the
Go, 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 go.
Tara, 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 tara.
Kunin nyo, dali! Tinggi na nyo! Nice one, Leonard de los Reyes. Shoutout sa iyo.
I have it. But there's a lot of shit.
Naubo ako sa...
Wait for them. Blue tree, guys. Blue tree.
Lahat kami may moblade doon sa tayo. Lahat na tayo meron.
They fucked up their wall though.
Meron ako.
May Nirvana.
I don't know if they have
Gusto nyo mag-party tayo dyan? Pupunta in depth dyan. Alin na kayo. Let's go.
Dito na ako, dito na ako.
Ready set ha. Ready
Alin na kayo. Papunta na kami dyan. Cooking ina nyo. Putang lag.
Let's go.
Lag agad. Rason na agad.
Set.
Okay, set.
Ayan o. Ganda o.
Ayun na, nauulol na yung mga coms. Cooking ina nyo.
Paloy na.
Bug, 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 bug.
Okay. Defense is here. Nandito na kayo. Ready for a party.
Nandito na kami mga boss. Let's go.
Party.
Woo!
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fucking kill them all.
Tangina. Ito yung puking ina. Ganito mag GBG. Nag-enjoy dapat lahat. Okay.
Party. Arko ba lang?
Napakasaya.
Party,
Putang
party,
ina.
party.
Ayun o.
Putang ina, get the-
Boom!
Party,
Puking ina mo.
Get your kills. Get your
Sige.
kills, get your kills, get your kills, get your kills.
I have the tree. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Umalis kayo. Huwag nyo na si Shu.
Mama dito sa party. Tumakbo doon. Go your fucking
Naka-relentless eh. Huwag nyo harangan si Kevin. Huwag nyo harangan si Kevin.
kills. Nice, guys. Good shit. Good shit, guys.
What the fuck, Zach?
Nice one.
Nadabagsak.
Yes, your kills. Go
Hindi
them
na
out,
ba-
go them out, go them
Akin
out,
lang ba?
go them out.
Boom!
Wait,
Putang
did we get
ina
the
mo.
boss or did they?
Nakuha ni Leonard de los Reyes yung boss.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Putang ina.
Putang ina, wall pala ng kalaban yan.
Nice one, Onad. Nice one.
Putang ina oh. Grabe talaga kayo guys. Sige, mag-enjoy tayo guys.
Someone's
Halin na kayo, dali.
rooftop with an umbrella.
Wala muna tayong dito. Yung mga naiwan sa blue tree natin, kawawa naman sila. Kawawa. Wala silang ginagawa. Sige, mga nasa blue tree, punta na dito. Mga nasa blue tree, punta na dito. Eh, tangina, masaya sila oh. Yun oh, putang ina mo.
Dito na yung kalaban.
Wag,
Ayan,
may kalaban.
sayang.
May kalaban.
Wag pala. Kawawa,
Gumagawa ng pangarap eh.
kawawa naman gago. Nasa rooftop sila.
I got it.
Kalutang ang muta.
They're going for
Tangina, kawawa naman si Sakuya guys. Shoutout sa'yo Sakuya. Yung mga waller dun sa
1v1 na
ano.
lang.
Ayan oh, si
Nice
Buang.
kill,
Sige,
nice kill.
akong bahala sa'yo gago. Baka may 6 na healer tayo boy.
I'm going mobilized.
Inihil ka ng top 1 global healer pre oh. Puking ina.
Ako dito sa gilid.
Baka mamatay ka. Tanginan to. Sige, oh ayan oh. Suntukan na to. Bug. Tangina, tagal. Tangina, tagal pala nun. Ayoko na nga gawin yan. Putang tagal eh.
Desperate Surge! Back up!
Uy, tabi!
Ako wala.
Takbo! Takbo! Sige, Buang. Lo, tangina, walang tiwala.
Gago ka.
May tayo mabuti moblade ha.
Tara.
Masakit.
Tara.
Puking inang yan, walang tiwala. Top 1 global healer na to.
Hindi, ganyan ginagawa ka boy.
Putang ina mo, wait lang.
Ito.
Uy, puking ina mo. Mamamatay ako, bro.
Ako wala.
Ay, no, gong, oh. Ay, no.
Nakapag-set na ba kayo?
Brrrr.
Keep KD alive.
Putang ina mo. Wait lang, Otit. Di kita mail, ah. Tangina mo kasi. Uy, mamatay na ako, gago.
Pwede mag-set. Tara.
Guys, yung mga ano dyan, nasa blue tree, kailangan namin ng healers dito. Oh, yeah.
Likod ng trio.
Ito na kayo, guys.
Setting. Dito sa likod.
Sending attackers to...
Putang ina naman, eh.
Ayan, anti-halo. Ubus.
Dami gago.
Ayan, oh. Ayan na, boy. Ay, sasabog yan.
Attackers are going to be jungling on blue
Putang bagal ng ano, that thing. Bayan. Okay. Brrrr. Tangina, walang tinamaan. Ang bobo ko pala mag-gong. Tangina.
Fine. Wala din tayong relentless. We can't really, there's not really much you can do here.
Bug. Oh, puta pa na siya. Lin na kayo dito, guys. Yung mga nasa depth.
Wait tayo for next jungle, then we'll go for wipe.
Putang ina mo.
Nag-chat sila ata.
Nato 10 blade ult si Shu.
Aray! Putang ina.
Gago, sakit na nga.
Okay, defense is here. Can we get a wipe? Can we go for wipe?
Kayang-kaya. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, we're going in 3, 2.
Sige, wipe na yan oh. Set nyo na yung mga ano nyo. Mo blade, twin blade. Oh, old blade. Yeah, bay blade. Let's go.
Putang ina.
Ayun na pre. Tangina pre, nag-CP ako pre. Ang galing.
Waiting for the wall to go down. Waiting for the wall to go down. Waiting for the wall to
Nag-CP
go
na
down.
ako tol. Ang lupet.
Get out the way.
Gago nag-CP ang puta 3-face. Tingina mo panis.
Good shit.
Run free, Kevin.
Execute mo, nerd. Don't clamp. Wala na tayong firepower. Don't clamp, guys. Don't clamp.
Hello, Boji and Shang. Can you guys decoy wall, okay? Wall kayo near the tree.
Already did.
Don't clamp, guys. Don't clamp.
Okay. Boji, ikaw naman.
May panset tayo ha, pwede mag-set.
Sige, set nyo lang, pre. On discretion na yan, pre.
Meron ko yung shield.
Nice one, guys. Just full rotations. Realistically, we have nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do here. No relentless, no nothing.
Tayo yung tank, walang heal yan, no? Si Soka.
No ults.
Patay.
No anything.
Putang ina naman, oh.
Ayos ako.
Sa likod
Di ako makatalon,
marami, ha.
tangina, panasaya na lang ako.
May wallers
Ulting sa likod. Napakadami tao dito.
Blue tree, red tree.
Dito ako sa likod, tara.
Wall ko ba na? Wall ko nga.
May ult ako, TG ko to. Go!
Is that ours? That's not ours.
Uy, namatay ako.
Okay. Rotations, guys. Rotations.
Hanapin niyo yung Solaria, guys.
Eh, nandito sa tabi ko.
Patay ko na gago.
Tagal naman.
Ult should be ready.
Ang tagal naman yan, Kevin.
We're going in. Ult should be ready. We're going in. In 3,
Fucking dead.
1. Chi shields up.
Rest, guys.
Moblid close to the tree. Moblid close to the tree.
Asborn, no?
Nice one, guys. Nice one. More anti-heals.
Talikod si Ala.
Payong ako.
Talikod si...
Putang ina mo ga.
Well, he just has to drive it manually. We don't have
Pinapayong ako.
what do you call this? Relentless.
Buhay na naman si Solaria,
Moblade
guys.
to din. Moblade to din.
Copy that.
Asan si Banlag?
Dito sa may harap ng
Desperate
puno.
search, guys.
Guys, oh my god.
Back off a bit.
Pinapokus ko.
Back off
Ito
a
na,
bit.
mamatay na. Dead.
If you're in the
Ah,
front,
Ulting ako sa harap ng puno. Ulting.
Putang ina, hindi ako makaano.
Going.
okay,
Bagal
back
talaga
back
nito
in,
eh, no?
go back in. Desperate search.
Pero masakit eh, oh.
Pop na yung TV ult dyan ah.
Kita nyo guys, sakit.
Whoa.
Solid.
Aray.
Tang ina yun, nun, ano na ako na. Silensyo na ako, bro.
Relentless and 30.
Silence.
Tatama kaya to. Tingnan natin. Puta tumama. Lupait!
Okay. Yeah, I have 14 seconds. Wait for 14 seconds. Wait for 14 seconds. We can do relentless as well. 13 seconds.
Ulting na ako dito sa puno.
Team Blade ult.
Dami dito.
Okay. Now get ready. Ready
namatay
your T-shields if you have. They're going in.
Shit!
In 3,
Putang ina!
1. T-shields up. T-shields up and fucking Moblid ult. Close to the
Ay
tree,
nako,
close to the tree lang.
ako
Close
ay
to the tree,
na
close to
ano
the
na,
tree.
nababato.
Close to the tree, guys. Close to the tree.
Babato ako tol.
Anti-heals, sir. Anti-heals.
Dead.
Wall ko yan na.
Somebody hold the tree.
Sa tree
Somebody hold
natin.
the tree.
Boom! Sabi.
Somebody hold the tree.
Reserve ko lang yun sa akin.
L, don't let it go. Just run.
Sige,
L,
sige,
lakad
akong
ka,
bahala sa'yo,
lakad
El.
ka, lakad
King
ka.
ina sister-in-law ko yan, pre.
Straight to base.
Let's go.
Look at the base.
You know
Tang ina, heal nyo nga yan, heal nyo. Bilisan nyo. Heal nyo yan. Puking ina. Oh, ano?
Somebody else.
Tang ina, huwag kong bitawan.
Tayo na nag-execute lang ako nawakan.
And move.
GG. Si KD na, si KD. Sige, takbo.
Asan na si Banlag nakasave sa kanya yung ano ko?
Ang ina yung comms nyo.
Yung TV ko.
Bobo talaga eh.
30 seconds,
Ayan na.
Jungle.
Boom!
Sa likod.
Putang ina mo.
Ready now.
Hindi mo mamatay yan.
Not much we can do here.
Tang ina, Ed. Sige, Ed. King ina, heal ka ng top 1 global healer.
Jungle for now. This is a slugfest.
Di ba namatay ka? Na-silence ako eh.
Time for jungle.
Ala.
Jungle now.
Grabe.
Jungle. Main one, let's go bottom side.
Itong beses
Bottom side,
ako
bottom
namatay,
side.
oh.
That's going to be a slugfest. That defense, duke it out.
Putak.
Bottom side.
Mamamatay ba tayo? Oh yeah.
Yung 3 ah.
Putang ina naman.
Need help. Somebody here with me.
Jungle guys ha, Neji, Sora.
Makakalabas na naman, makakalabas.
Hindi ko makabulan.
Huwag niyo palabasin. Tang ina.
Gago na wipe tayo, boy.
Ako lang
Wait lang,
nakapagkita
last
dito.
to, last to.
Na-wipe kami.
Putang ina, huwag niyong
Wala
palabasin.
na akong wall, wala na akong wall.
Na-wipe yung def ah, mag last stand ako.
Yeah.
Tol, nakalabas ng
Wait for
entrance.
def, wait
Tol,
for def.
nade-depress ako.
Don't go back in yet. Don't go back in yet.
Nakalabas! Bakit?
Just regroup for a bit. There's not much we can do here. This is going to be a fucking slugfest.
Pwede mag-set to. Setan ko to.
Set.
Setting. Dami
Waiting for
oh. Sarap to.
defense.
Tangina, wala pa kami, gago, kalma lang.
Diyan na kami.
Ah, sige, andyan na.
Ay, gago.
Andyan na daw sila. Tangina, wala pa nga kami. Pero sige, liga na kayo, na kayo.
Not yet, not yet.
Sige, kung sa tingin nyo kaya yan. Tangina, may tiwala ako sa call nyo. King ina nyo.
Okay na.
Oh, let's go.
In 3,
Putang ina mo.
1, she shields up and go in. She shields up and fucking ults. That's desperate surge. That's desperate surge.
Ay, nag-desperate search na, pre. Ayan na, wipe na daw yan, oh.
Ayan.
Get your party.
Whee!
Get the kill.
Boog! Tangina mo, sakit pala nun.
Patay ko ni holder. Patay ko ni holder.
Oh, patay na daw yung holder. Let's go, guys. Good job, guys.
Anti-heals.
Ina mo ka.
The bald guy has a tree. The bald guy has a tree.
Copy that.
The bald guy has that.
Never mind.
Yeah,
Tang ina gago.
he's too squishy for that shit.
Heal.
No, gong them out, guys. Gong them out.
Nagpanasaya na ako dyan. Ayun na ako.
May 3 holder sa kabila, oh.
Fucking slugfest.
Boog! Putang ina, solid, no. Ganda pala nun.
May holder ah, may holder.
Just slug it out, guys. There's not much we can do here. It's fucking literal 30v30. It's fine. Just tell it. Just tell it, guys. It's gonna be a slugfest.
The holder,
Sige, nag-rest ako sa inyo, guys.
Oh god, pull the fuck rest me. Oh, thank you.
Wall nyo lang.
Can we go for their nameless on top side? Nameless on top side, guys. Top side. Main bow 1 and 2. Go for their nameless on top side. We got C, Regs.
gago.
Ay, wala.
Patay na holder. Dead na.
Okay,
Ba't
next,
palagi
we-
pagkalaban natin yung Black Rose, pre, lagi tayong hindi kompleto sa main, ano?
We got C,
Main
Cairo,
roster.
what's his name?
Malas, no? Wala si Jamie, wala si Godot.
May TV ulta ka.
Nice.
Kaya natin kulang lagi. Hindi tayo na kompleto.
Regs. Look at Regs.
Gandang laban sana to.
Regs is low.
Pero tagahawak ng
Sucks.
puno, gago.
Yep.
May ulti kayo, mga blade?
Okay, now.
TV lang,
We're
TV
going
lang.
in.
Okay.
Get ready up.
Ulting din ako.
We're going for a bomb here, guys. Chi shields up. We're going in 3,
Tara.
2,
Okay, 1v1 pa dito.
Mobile dots on the fucking... Mobile dots. Can we get a mobile dots here? Nice.
Putang ina mo.
Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Sige,
Okay.
Hindi tayo mababurst, pre.
Gawa kami ni Asburn, no?
Parang kataas. Yan.
On point yung healers. Let's go. Galing.
Hawak pa ng tree natin.
We
Hamit
have
ko na din
Fabio
yung
one.
kasikit mo.
Tumalbog ako to, no? Sige, bounce.
Keep going
Bounce.
them out, guys. Keep going them out.
Hinahanap kasi ako eh.
Keep going them out. Chris is getting Twin Blade ulted. He can't move. He's gonna die.
Holder ah.
Basta na, yun ba't hindi
Sige.
siya makita?
We can't really move here. We're getting slugged on the entrance.
Mangarap
This
ka ba
is just
dyan?
basically just PvP now.
It's Asburn.
Itay ko na.
If somebody can
Mabuhay
grab
ulit,
it, we can move it. They don't have
Nasaan
walls
ka?
now.
Nasaan ka?
Defense.
Hawak ko.
Who's holding in?
Inultihan ko na.
Dito pa rin, na kay Jurbatar.
Pahil ka, Jules. Pahil ka sa defense. Pahil ka sa defense. We can't heal.
Oh, heal.
Nagre-relentless.
Putang ina na, ano ako eh.
Well, that's our relentless.
Kung makita si Crab Eyes!
Yun na.
Nasaan na si Crab Eyes?
Si Crab Eyes. Putang ina.
Go on.
Bago nagtago na sa akin man, kanina ko pa siya pinapatay.
Ano, ulting na ako dito sa tree.
Hey.
Patibi na lang, patibi.
This was fun. GG's, guys. Aray!
Wala na, sinukuha na nila yung puno.
Nag-gong forever. Pwede ba maglaro, guys? Okay, GG's guys.
Nice one,
Stupid.
guys.
Jimmy, you there?
Okay, I'm back.